Before buying a bald head shaver, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many shavers might look the same, but the performance can vary wildly, leaving you frustrated if you don't choose wisely. Product number 1, Ordeal 7D Floating Shaver. Let's kick things off with the Ordeal 7D Floating Electric Shaver. Priced at just $19.99, this shaver caught my eye thanks to its impressive features for such an affordable option. If you want an effective, budget-friendly way to keep your head smooth, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7D flexible floating head system adapts beautifully to your head's contours, making sure you get a close shave without missing spots. Plus, it's IPX6 waterproof, meaning you can shave with foam or in the shower. No more worrying about cleanup. The smart LED display gives you real-time battery monitoring, and it charges quickly via USB-C, offering 100 minutes of runtime. With over 916 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many have found it effective. Now, some people complained about the noise level during operation. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for a quiet shave, this might not be your best bet. But for most, the performance and price make it a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't sacrifice performance. Skip this one if you're super sensitive to noise or want something more premium. You really get a lot of bang for your buck here. Now, if the noise level bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Teppets 5-in-1 Grooming Kit. Next up is the Teppets 5-in-1 Grooming Kit, priced at $39.99. This one's a bestseller for a reason. If versatility in your grooming routine is what you need, you should definitely check this out. The Teppets shaver features a magnetic detachable head design, which makes cleaning a breeze. You simply snap it off, rinse it, and snap it back on, no residue left behind. Its waterproof rating allows for both dry and wet shaving, so you can shave in the shower without a second thought. You also get 90 minutes of cordless runtime after just a 2-hour charge, and the LED display keeps you informed of the battery status. Plus, the 5-in-1 feature means you can tackle everything from trimming to nose hair detailing. Great value for the price. However, I noticed that some users felt the battery life could be better for extended travel. But honestly, if you're regularly charging it at home, this isn't a deal breaker for most people. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive grooming kit that does it all. Skip this one if you're only looking for a shaver with no extra features. You're definitely getting a lot for what you pay here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize speed. Product number 3, Remington Balder Pro XR 7000. Moving on, we have the Remington Balder Pro XR 7000, priced at $58.12. This shaver has a reputation for speed, and if you're someone who wants a quick shave, this one's definitely worth considering. With its 5 dual-track rotary blades, you can shave your entire head in under 2 minutes, achieving that barbershop smooth finish right at home. The flexing blades adjust to the contours of your head, making it perfect for sensitive skin, which is a huge plus. And the built-in hair capture chamber keeps your sink clean during use. No one likes a mess. However, a few users mentioned that the battery life could be a bit short, averaging around 50 minutes. But here's the thing. If you're using it primarily at home, you can just plug it in after each use, and it's a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you value speed and efficiency in your shaving routine. Skip this one if you need a longer battery life for extended trips. It's a solid investment for the time-saving features alone. Now, if quickness isn't your only concern, the next option may have what you're looking for. Product number 4, Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro SX5. Next, we have the Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro SX5, which retails for $77.75. This one's designed specifically for those who want smooth results without the hassle. If convenience is key for you, stick around. This shaver boasts a powerful motor that delivers faster results, and it's designed for both wet and dry use. The large shaving chambers trap hair, keeping you mess-free, and the ergonomic grip means it feels great in your hand. No slipping even when wet. Plus, you get around 70 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge. Some users have pointed out that it might feel a bit bulkier than other options. But honestly, I found that the performance far outweighs this slight inconvenience. It's all about that smooth finish. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance shaver that's easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer something more compact. It's a fantastic tool for effortless bald head maintenance. Finally, let's talk about a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Adol's Wellop 7D Head Shaver. Last but not least is the Adol's Wellop 7D Head Shaver, priced at $44.99. If you're after a smooth shave without irritation, this shaver should be on your radar. The unique fingerhold design allows for easy control, gliding seamlessly over your scalp. Its hypoallergenic blades give you a close shave without the nicks or cuts, making it ideal for sensitive skin. A solid 60-minute battery life means you can get a month's worth of shaves on a single charge, which is pretty impressive. However, a few users reported that it might not be as powerful as some higher-end models. But honestly, for its price point and the comfort it offers, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective solution for a smooth head. Skip this one if you're looking for professional-grade performance. It's a solid choice for everyday use. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic bald head shavers: the budget-friendly Ordeal, the versatile Teppets, the speedy Remington, the convenient Skull Shaver, and the comfortable Adol's Wellop. Each has its strengths, depending on what you need most. Whatever you choose, you're bound to find a great solution for achieving that smooth, bald look.